Let's talk about rano, поздно, and their useful derivatives in Russian today. Rano is early. Я встаю рано. I get up early. By the way, in Russian, someone who likes to get up early is called жаворонок. Literally, жаворонок in Russian is a lark, which is a type of bird. But most of the time we use it to refer to an early bird or a morning person. The opposite of rано is поздно, late. By the way, the D in it is silent. Поздно. Я всегда ложусь поздно. I always go to bed late. And someone who likes to stay up late, like myself, is called sova in Russian. Literally, sova is an owl or a night owl. So, same as in English. By the way, ты жаворонок или сова? Let me know in the comments. Now let's look at a couple of useful derivatives of these two. Раньше, literally, earlier, but oftentimes it will mean before, or even used to. Раньше я жил в России. Literally, earlier I lived in Russia. But a good translation for it would be I used to live in Russia. Now, позже is later, or even oftentimes we'll say попозже, a little later. Я сейчас занят. Давай попозже. I'm busy right now. Let's do it later. And of course there is опоздать, to be late. So to be late in Russian is one verb. Опоздать. Извини, я опоздал. Sorry, I'm late. See how in Russian we actually use it as a past tense verb. Опоздал. Whereas in English it's technically present tense. I am late. But I am late generally means you're already late. Hence the past tense verb in Russian. Я опоздал. Or you can use it in the future tense. Извини, я минут на 10 опоздаю. Sorry, I'm gonna be about 10 minutes late. And now I'm gonna teach you 3 famous Russian proverbs with some of these words. Number 1. Кто не успел, тот опоздал. Literally, he who didn't make it in time is late. I mean, duh, but what does that mean? That's basically the Russian equivalent of you snooze, you lose. Number 2. Кто рано встает, тому Бог дает. Literally, who gets up early, to that person God gives. But the English equivalent is the early bird gets the worm. And number 3. Лучше поздно, чем никогда. And this one is of course literally better late than never. Рано или поздно что-то происходит на земле. Рано или поздно я узнаю голос в тишине.